Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer OneDrive ransomware protection settings safely, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer OneDrive ransomware protection settings safely, begin by signing in to your OneDrive account. Open the OneDrive application or access it via the web browser. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select options from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Restore Files. This section allows you to view and manage your file recovery options. Take note of your current ransomware protection settings for reference. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Locate the File Recovery section. Here, you can find the existing settings related to your ransomware protection. If necessary, download any important documents before making changes. After ensuring you have backups, proceed to update the protection settings. Adjust the settings as needed to optimize your protection. Check for any updates from OneDrive regarding ransomware protection features. After modifying the settings, test to ensure they are applied correctly. Monitor your OneDrive account for any signs of unusual activity. Periodically review and update your ransomware protection settings as needed. Always maintain a vigilant cybersecurity approach to enhance your data security. By following these steps, you can safely transfer and configure your OneDrive ransomware protection settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.